So one of the things we get asked quite frequently here at LEA Professional is what is the AC fault limits inside the power supply menu of our amplifiers? So let me show you on screen here where that is and I'll explain what it does. So I've got my list of amps up here in the browser and I'll go to this amplifier that I've got on my desk. Now if we click on this power icon, this will bring us into the power supply section. And the AC fault limits is this part here at the bottom. So by default, it's set in auto mode with this toggle switch. And what AC fault limits does is when the amp first turns on, it measures what the voltage is coming into the power cord on the amplifier. And what the fault limits does is when that voltage shifts outside of a certain range, it will alert you that there's an issue with the power coming into the amplifier. Now the amplifier's power supply can handle quite a wide range of voltage, so anywhere from 85 volts AC up to 277 volts AC. So because the amplifier can handle such a wide range and still operate properly, we're going to alert you through the fault limits if the voltage starts to shift more than a certain percentage, just to let you know that there's some strange things going on with the power. So when AC fault limits is in auto mode, it will alert you at plus or minus 15% of the voltage it detected when the amp started up. So if the voltage shifts more than plus 15% or less than the minus 15%, it'll alert you that there's an issue with the power. Now the amp may still behave as long as it's within that 85 through 277 volt range. So this is just to alert you that there's a problem. But you can also set this to manual mode. So if you check the toggle switch here, now you can set your own low limit and high limit for the voltage. So say you're in an area where you know the voltage tends to swing quite a bit. Now you can set your own limits here for alerting you that there's an issue with the power on your own instead of just the plus or minus 15%. So again, this is just a helpful tool to let you know what's going on with the power coming into the amplifier. So play around with it, set it how you like. Most of the time, the auto mode is going to be just fine. But take a look at it and let us know what you think.